Another application of InstaSlip can be vinyl, flat glass applications, architectural stuff, PPF on countertops. The applications are endless. So what I have here is about 3 milliliter, 2 to 3 milliliters in this. I have about 25 ounces of water in here, and we can go in here and go ahead and simulate applying a door decal. I've put our InstaSlip on top so I can just reduce the amount of scratching and marring that we're going to be introducing on this. And we're just going to go in and apply it. Very simple, quick little boom, boom, boom. Go ahead and wipe it down. We're going to go in and wipe it down. And our vinyl has been applied. There's gonna be some people that say, oh, it doesn't stick. This is a completely ceramic coated car right now, and it does stick, but give it 15, 20 minutes, it does stick. And this is removing it. It can be reapplied, put a little heat on it. Now, obviously, you guys see how it's not sticky. That's what I'm saying, it just needs time, but it will stick eventually. Boom. InstaSlip.